Vishnu, I'll start off with you. Crude has significantly corrected, and despite the fresh tensions, we have seen that Brent is holding above that $72.
Hi, Lavisha. Good morning. Basically, if you see the overall texture of the market, considering the, falling crude oil prices, which is currently trading very close to 72. At one point of time I think, on Friday, prices briefly fell below its 70 mark. But yes, again, it's a close to 72 due to some sort of escalation in the West Asia crisis, but still it is in under control. Apart from that, FIs has also eased some sort of selling. Rupees also strengthening. So they all are just extrapolating on the chart, and I believe technically the broader structure is looking quite positive. Because the prices are decisively holding above its a short-term key moving averages like a 21 day exponential moving average. But yes, it is currently trading below its a 200 day. But the kind of formation prices are making on a daily chart, it's an inverse head and shoulder kind of pattern. If you see, although in neckline resistance is still intact on the higher side, but I believe the way prices are behaving from the lower side, the neckline resistance will definitely invalidated in days to come. So as having said that, the broader structure is bullish. So I believe on the lower side, 23,900, 23,950 sort of levels will definitely provide you an opportunity to get a fresh long positions. But simultaneously, in an intraday basis, I believe any fall close to 24,040 sort of levels will give you an opportunity to get a sell positions as well in intraday. But having said that, if you are a very conservative player, so you just look to buy from the lower levels, and the lower levels are 23,900 with keeping a stop loss below 23,800 sort of levels. On the higher side, 24 200, and it's a very crucial resistance area which if broken decisively, then 24,400 will definitely on the card.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.